Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to share GIFs on Instagram Threads 2024. First of all, you need to open up the Threads application on your phone. Once you open up the Threads app, tap on the new thread icon from the bottom bar. Then, from the new thread page, you need to tap on the GIF icon from here. You can select any GIF from the following options. Or you can tap on the search bar from the top bar, and you can search here for any GIFs you want. Once you select the GIFs from here, tap on it. After adding the GIFs, you can enter the caption for it. When you're done with both GIF and caption, tap to post it. Then, you can see it on your timeline. Thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.